I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create form in Elementor. But first of all, you need to install RTM kit first, and RTM Form Builder. You need to go to your plugin and write RTM kit here. Enter. You will find RTM kit, RTM Form Builder. You need to activate it and install it. And you create page and edit with Elementor. And here, Flexbox. Add element. RTM Form Builder. Drag and drop. And edit form. Here's you can put name like this and confirmation check and put your email here. And thank you note. And after that, you need to go to notification and check. You need to put subject in here, copy paste your email, admin note, and save and edit. After that, you will go to another Elementor page that have RTM Form Builder on the left side, and on the right you will have the logo of RTM kit that you can click and you can get ready template for your form, and you can just edit with what you necessarily want to be edited. So need to wait first. Here's the RTM Form Builder widget, and here's the RTM kit. Need to click it and go to wireframe, and after wireframe go down and go to form and go down also. And here's the thing, booking form. You need to import it. So here's a booking form that you already have, ready template that you already can customize it with what you need it. The children message. You can save and close. You can edit it, like phone number, the label name, or here checkout date. You can change the label name, and you can change the style as well. Yeah, you need save and close. After you get it, you get this form, and you want to download the entries, you can go to runtime and Form Builder, RTM kit, and Form Builder. And after that, you can go to form. Yeah, here's the form that you already create test. Here's the data that you can download it, this number of entries. Yeah, if you want RTM Form Builder, you just need to download it and install it to your website. Thank you. Download it.